Ahmednagar station. Okay. Today it's Saturday, 15 June, and I'm going for the very first time on a trek with this popular Instagram page called Durganath. I'll show the group is outside the station. I'll show you. So we were supposed to leave at around 9:30. Okay, it's dark, you can't see it really. 9:30, but right now it's 10:45 and we still haven't left because there's one guy to come who's coming from really far. अभी देखते हैं कब जाना होगा. जैसे ही होगा we'll probably reach there by 3:30, 4:30 I believe. So we have reached the base village. I hope you can barely see anything. It's pitch black. Right now it's 2:20. Reached sooner than expected and I can already see the clouds. What's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up? So this guy's name is please tell your name.
Omkar Dikshit.
So we have Omkar and Dinesh on my left, and we have officially started the trek, and it's going to take almost 2.5 hours. Right now it's kiti was lit 2:52. That means 3. Expecting to reach on the top by 6 5. Okay, 5:30. Let's see. Almost there.
मधी ह्याला 2017ला एक दोघं जण याच्यावर कोकण कड्यावरनं पडले म्हणून
कोण नाही मेला
So I've reached to the top, and this is the view at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. This looks pretty cool. Oh. सुकाचा घास. वैभव चव्हाण मी सांगलीवरून आलो आणि माझा पहिला ट्रेक आहे.
दिनेश जगताप पिंपरीवरून आलोय. हा 16वा ट्रेक आहे. ओंकार दीक्षित पिंपरी चढ 67वा ट्रेक आहे.
हा Dangerous, pretty dangerous. Okay. It's okay. Ooh. Selfie. Yeah. Swapnil. अलग पॉइंट आता दिसणार का कोकण कडा यात हा हायेस्ट पीक आहे
ढग वगैरेचे दिसतात नाही जास्त
इथूनच दिसणार आहे का
इथनं दिसतात
मग आता वाट बघायला पाहिजे का काय
ऊन पडणार वाटतं
नाही पडणार
तो स्टार्टिंग वाला ते पूर्ण बॉडी पायऱ्यावाला पूर्ण बॉडी
बाई तू थांब सेमच जायचं परत आम्ही उभारून आलो अरे हा तर विचारच केला नाही मी काढ लवकर
WWE सारखं आहे ना इकडनं
येते काय
वरनं दे
हात काढ Pure food. That's a temple. That's a pond, which we are going to look. And what? Oh, dirty pond. We're not gonna say this.
He's so good.
Absolutely.
ऐसा शूज निकाल के
मी एक व्हिडिओ बघितलेला कोण असतात त्यात ते लोक पाण्यात जातात पुढे पाणी आहे
की
नाईस ॲक्वामॅन दोन आहे पाप सगळी So we are about to finish our trek. Right now we are having lunch, then we'll leave, and it's gonna take almost 2 or 3 hours. 3 hours for us. No, not 3 hours. Maybe 1.5 hours to get down, and then we'll board the bus, and then we'll leave. Yeah. हो बारिश येते तिकडून आता वाट लागणार. चला पटकन पटकन उतरा खाली. अरे देवा चलो. Finally reached. So finally we are down, but we missed. We took one wrong turn and we had to climb back and then take a different route and then come here. And I'm telling you, my legs are numb. I can't feel anything. It was like the toughest thing I've ever done in my life. I guess I'm stopping this video right here because I don't think I would be able to record and talk more. So goodbye.